Do you know how many people search on Google Maps for a specific business? 86%. And if you think you can leave out on this, I think you're wrong. How you can take advantage of this amazing platform for your business, this is what I'm going to show you in this video. If you would like to know what you can do in order to leverage search marketing and SEO for your business growth, don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel and make sure you hit the bell button, because then you get notified of any new videos we push out. Hello, my name is Gerd Mellach and I'm the founder and CEO of SEOleverage.com, an SEO agency focusing on getting businesses like yours up to the top on Google. In this video I'm going to show you 4 steps on how to set up your Google Maps listing, push its rankings, update the content, and the 4th is a little bit of a tip at the end of the video on how to push your rankings in search engine. So step number 1, go to Google Maps and try to find your business in the search engine, in the search box. Chances are you're already there because you, your agency, or someone who was working for you already might have set up you there. Or another Google Maps user is also able to add a listing there, but you can still claim it, as we're going to see afterwards. Step number 2, claim your business. Every single Google user can add a missing place to Google Maps. The information doesn't have to be accurate, they don't have to be authenticated, nothing like that. What you need to do is claim your business. So there is a link where you can claim you're the owner of this business and with a specific authentication process, or you can head over to Google My Business directly and add your business there. They're going to send you a letter with a PIN code, and you then type in the PIN code you get by mail into the Google My Business platform, and this is how Google connects the dots between a physical location and an online profile. Tip number 3, leverage Google My Business as much as possible. First of all, you want to fill in all the blanks Google gives you. From the opening hours that need to be consistent, and also make sure you update them. Google likes when you go back and update and keep this information current. Make sure you're really consistent with your name, address and phone number, not only on Google My Business but also on other platforms. Just write it in the same way all the time so Google can easily connect the dots. Be very specific about your photo selection. Imagine these are the images your potential clients are going to see when they search for your brand name. So you want to control what kind of communication they're going to get from your brand, and be really selective about what you show to them. If you don't upload any images, Google most likely is going to show a map icon, which doesn't really look good in a list of your company together with all other competitors who might have an optimized image. Be very careful with the category selection. Google is going to ask you to select 2 or 3 categories that correspond to your business. You might want to take a close look and find the best categories that actually really describe your business, just so that Google knows what to rank you for. Last but not least, leverage the Google platform's feature of content uploads. So for example, you can upload questions and answers, you can upload products and services, and there is even a space where you can upload blog posts if you want, just to give additional information. This is a Google property, so whatever you feed Google in there, Google knows exactly this comes from your brand and has a very strong relevance. Now that you have completed the process, you probably need to wait a few days and then check again if your business listing comes up in Google Maps or in Google directly. Probably both is going to be the case. If you want to edit it, you can always go back to Google My Business and make the necessary changes. If you want to share with me how this experience went, drop a comment down below and let me know how this goes, or if you have any questions about the process. Step number 4, or tip number 4, this is reviews. Aim at getting positive reviews on an ongoing basis for several reasons. First of all, you want to show Google that actual people with actual Google profiles really like your product, your service, your brand. So if you bake this into a process of onboarding, of service delivery, of customer service, that you ask your clients for reviews on Google, this is going to give you a good, solid foundation of review. And it's going to also provide a cushion for the occasional competitor who might drop a 1-star review trying to lower your rankings. The more positive reviews from actual legit people you have, the more you're going to be able to compensate the occasional negative one. Would you like to know what else you can do in order to rank higher with your website on Google? Head over to SEOleverage.com, find a quick audit, and my team and I are going to take a look at your site and define what are going to be the most important opportunities for you. Now there's just one step left. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up on this video, leave a comment, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, or do it all together. Thank you so much for watching.